Ahoy, hoy! Welcome to Baja Adventures with Captain Rick. I'm Rick, and along with my salty sea dog crew, Dixie Crystal, that's Dixie, and Ragamuffin, this is Muffin, we left Dallas and Texas behind and set a new course for the Baja Peninsula and the Sea of Cortez in Mexico. This channel is the real journey, starting with our leaving Dallas and crossing into Mexico, building a small home, and restoring a 22-foot bay boat. And we're figuring it out and making it all up as we go. None of us have done this before. No fluff, just hands-on work, honest moments, a few rants and raves, a few busted knuckles and banged up toes, and bumped heads. Plenty of lessons learned the hard way. We're here for sustainable living, local culture, diving, boating, and exploring Baja's eastern coast. If the sea calls to you, be sure to hit subscribe and come along with us for the ride.